Delicious.
Whoever have those days that you just really want to eat some calabacitas? Well, that was me today. I decided that we needed to have some comforting food, so I made some carne asada with calabacitas and mushroom in salsa de tomate and jalapenos. It's something so simple, homemade, and exactly what we needed today. I also had, of course, add frijolitos and some sopa with fresh aguacate on the side. It's just so hearty and filling, and honestly, we loved it.
Okay, let's give this a try.